So, Kirsty, what are you working on here?
I'm currently working on a lino print. So what I'm doing is I'm creating the design for it, and then Sophie's going to cut it out.
Next, you used a biro pen. Why have you used that rather than a pencil or something?
My thinking was, if I use a pencil, it might not be quite visible. And like I said, obviously, as Sophie's cutting it out, I didn't want to make it not visible to her. So I thought if I do it quite bold, she can see what she's cutting out then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this double line so you can see the parts you have to cut out. I'm spreading ink everywhere. Yeah, so the concept for this piece is another whirlwind person. We think that'd be interesting to keep going with that narrative. I'm hoping this isn't going to be confusing.
How is it working on a smaller scale as well? Because
I was just thinking about that actually. It's quite weird because I feel like I've got to be more like detailed with it. And I'm so used to working quite big and it's quite controlled now. It's really weird. And I'm getting kind of worried about how this is going to turn out.
what, are you not used to creating a piece that uses these kind of approaches?
Definitely not. I mean, I would say it's like, I'm considering at the moment how Sophie's going to have to do this. Bless her, it's not really going to be easy for her. But yeah, I'm a bit concerned that she's not going to know where to cut it because I've made it really complicated. But what I think might be quite interesting is if I do like sections, so like you cut the sections out. So you've got like a pattern on the t-shirt. Because I think if you just cut that whole bit out, it's going to look a bit boring, isn't it? So maybe if we do like a bit of a design, then it adds another layer to it. And again, it's like, what's interesting is this is like the contrast between the swirl. So you've got like a swirl that's spinning out of control, but then you've got like the structure of the t-shirt of these like quite harsh lines.
It's almost like an organic versus geometric.
Yes, that's a really good way of putting it, geometric. I think that's the word I was trying to find. Right, I think I'm going to leave it there because I don't want to make it too complicated. So